Hi, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. YouTube has recently changed its policies to allow creators to change the name of their YouTube channel without affecting the rest of the Google products. In the past, in order to change your YouTube channel name, you also had to change your name and log on across all of Google. Now, you can just change your YouTube channel. So let's take a look at that. Once you're logged in and on your YouTube channel page, click on Customize Channel. And once you get to your channel customization, you'll see Basic Information. Click on that. And right below that, you'll see Channel Name and Description. Click on the Edit Channel Name. And in the Channel Name dialog box, this is where you can change your name. And then click on Publish, and then it's done. It's that simple. All right, I hope this helps in showing you how to change your YouTube channel name. Thanks.